Hi, welcome back. This week I've got this drill press table I made. This has one major flaw which I'll show you later. It's primarily made because of the storage drawers for my drill bits, even though all of them didn't fit in here. It has a sliding fence. It has these inserts for when they get damaged. I have some replacements. And let me show you how it is. So this is what it's basically gonna be like. These sides will be fixed with the runners cut in here, and this will be the sliding insert. So I gotta glue this up and see how it actually will work out. It's really a good one. So this is it for this project. As you can see, the table is square now, but unfortunately these slots aren't square anymore. Even though, despite that, the fence is still able to move. And the primary function of this drill press table is storage for my drill bits, which I have stored here, most commonly used ones. So I don't think you'll get much action regarding the drilling itself, because I don't really need it for drilling or fence or any stop blocks. I rarely do that. Repetitive drilling, I primarily needed a place to put my drill bits. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.